I like this orange sherbet.
Final bang.
I can sit here and chew. Get on my face. Get on my face, little kid. Stop touching me.
Touch.
What's up, people? It's your girl Tanisha coming to you again. How are you doing? Good. I'm glad. I really am. I am coming to you
with me.
With him because I wanted to do a video
that she's about to regret, because when I get home, I'm going to be all over the place. Not going to sleep for 3 hours.
First of all, he's not going to be... Oh, let me turn this... First of all, he's not going to be all over the place because I'm going
to go room to room.
First of all, you're not going to eat all of this. We just going to taste them. We're not eating. Okay, so we're going to do this. And I know y'all probably are like, oh my gosh, is she really going to do that? Yes, I'm going to do that.
I mean, this.
We got 2 bags of candy from the Dollar Tree. Some of them are weird candies and some of them are just regular candies.
Like one of them is like peanut butter chocolate peanuts or something.
No, it was jelly donut flavored gumballs.
That was another one.
Oh, okay. All right, so we got all this weird candy, right? Weird candy. So we're going to show you what we got. So for example, not all of it is weird, some of it's weird. And
I'm going to show you one of them. Should be in here somewhere.
Yeah, I don't like this one. He gonna eat this one. This is Autumn Mix candy corn.
Never tasted candy corn, and before you say anything, don't judge my sanity.
Don't judge me. I don't like candy corn, y'all. But that's what it looks like.
Ears?
Oh. I got some Q-tips. Don't worry about that. We was at the dollar store. I needed some.
Here's one of those weird candies.
So yeah, here's one. Okay, so you hold the candies on your lap. And then this is like Circus Peanuts. Like this already look nasty to me, but we're gonna try it.
I love candy, so I'm gonna eat it all.
First of all, he's not gonna eat it all. Don't let. And it's fat free, so that's good. That's good. All right, no more fat. But I also got orange sherbet flavored gumballs. That sounds good. This one is Now and Later splits. So I like Now and Later. This is from my childhood, but these are splits. So it's like lemon lime, lemon strawberry, and lemon and blue raspberry.
She absolutely loved these. I mean, like, she's been eating one of these since we came from the store.
Don't tell my business on. Anyway, I like Sour Patch Kids, but I got the tropical Sour Patch Kids. And yes,
that's what I'm talking about.
I already opened them. So we're going to try those too. Here. Hold that. Make sure they don't spill. We got banana. This is, what? Banana split bubble gum. Never heard of that in my life.
Here's another one of those Sour Patch.
Stay out my business. They already seen the Sour Patch Kids. All right, we got. See, this is what I was telling you about. The jelly donut gumballs. Like
that was backwards. You showed it.
I got these. I've never tried them before, but I've seen them before. Bit O Honeys. Like this old school candy right here. But we're gonna try it.
But for me, I need to be a little bit more nerdy. So I can be smarter in school.
Okay, so you already in Rainbow Nerds. Those are his.
I'm gonna be more nerdy.
You wanna be more nerdy? Okay. We already did those. So I'm trying to put them back in this bag so we can. That's why, because you can start putting them in this bag.
Which one I'm trying first?
Hold on, I don't think you said. Oh, and then he.
What?
He got the lollipop fingers, sour apple. Those don't look too bad though, actually.
My reaction is when I first saw it, I'm like, put it in the bag.
Yeah, he grabbed them as soon as we walked in the door. So we're not doing
sour apple.
I know, right? Sour apple.
I need to taste those.
Yeah, that's pretty good. And then just because we was in the dollar store, he just had to get some extra stuff. He got a snow globe.
It's for Christmas. It's Halloween.
Okay. Yeah, and today's Halloween, so we're not doing trick-or-treating for, religious reasons primarily, but also it's 40-some degrees outside. And I'm not sending him outside to catch a cold. He doesn't have a costume. And it's just what it is. Like, leaving it at that. So I was like, well, I'm going to get you some candy. How about that? And then we can do a video. How about that?
This is for Christmas. So don't worry about that. Just gonna do it in
2 months.
Yeah.
Alright, so I guess we can start tasting this stuff. Alright,
yep.
Okay, yeah.
Yep, I'm tasting that first. Never tasted it.
We're gonna taste this. This is candy corn. It's an autumn mix. I have never been a fan of candy corn. Like, it doesn't even have
I'm a fan of it.
Ada, you just a fan of sugar. Alright, so we're gonna try it, y'all. And see what happens. Here, you take a couple. Put your hand out.
This is gonna be good.
Wait, you're not eating all those. Sorry. Give me some of those back. We tasting them. We're not eating. What kind you got in your hand?
These 4.
Give me back these. Give me back those. Take one of these candy corn right there. That yellow one. Yeah. And then a pumpkin. Take a pumpkin.
Ooh.
What do they taste like?
I love it.
You love them?
Yeah. This girl don't like candy. Corn.
I don't like. No, I don't. I'm gonna try it though.
She needs some candy corn.
It just tastes like sugar.
So you, this is a big boy right here.
Okay. I don't want it. Nah.
I'll take it off.
You ain't finna eat up all this candy, Aiden. I'm telling you now. Alright, so we put that down.
Can we start with the weird candy thing?
Alright, so we're gonna take. You done with that? We're just gonna do one piece of candy out of each.
Okay.
So they all taste the same. Alright, so we're gonna try these banana split gumballs. I wonder if they really taste like banana split.
I don't like the pumpkin as much.
You don't like the pumpkin?
As much.
I don't like them at all.
There's a difference.
You want pink, yellow, white, or black?
What, this black in it?
Purple? Is that purple or black?
That might be molded banana.
That is not molded banana. That's like chocolate, because it's a banana split.
Oh.
Vanilla, strawberry, chocolate.
Oh, I like strawberry.
Okay, so you want the pink? Hold it. Don't eat it yet.
But is this bubble gum?
Yeah. Hold on. Don't eat it yet. I'm going to eat. We're going to eat it at the same time. See if it really tastes like what they taste. I'm going to taste the chocolate one. A chocolate gumball. And he's tasting strawberry. So, 1, 2, 3.
This like one of those at the barber shop. Yeah, this tastes like those at the barber shop.
But it tastes strawberry though. What's on your face?
No, it tastes to me it tastes like those at the barber shop. It really does.
It tastes like strawberry? Mine tastes like chocolate. It really tastes like chocolate.
Mine tastes like the barber shop ones.
Does it have a flavor?
To me, no.
So it doesn't taste like strawberry?
To me, no. Might, if you buy these, might to you.
Mine tastes like chocolate. Alright, switch them out.
Ew.
You want nerds? You want to try these? Rainbow Nerds. Teeny, tangy, crunchy candy. Any flavors?
Let me see.
I don't see any flavors.
I think I know some of those flavors, like grape, lemon, orange. I know that's strawberry. Sorry. I definitely did not say barberry.
Strawberry. You was born in Georgia. I was born in Michigan. Strawberry. All right, here.
You have a burrow? Which colors do I got?
3.
Okay.
I'm only giving, look, that's what he getting and I'm getting.
Okay, so.
Look, y'all, I am not going to have a child running all around the house.
Yes, you are.
Okay. I'll put them out. I'm going to come drop them off with y'all. All right, so you put that in there. All right, so you taste the orange?
No, pink.
Wait, it's not pink. Oh, that is pink.
I need a new pink.
Well, it tastes a different color. All right, try orange. See if it tastes like orange.
Tastes like orange.
Mm-hmm. Tastes like orange.
I have a lot of green.
Taste the green. See if it tastes like apple, maybe?
Sour apple.
Mm-hmm.
Yellow.
I don't have that.
Lemon.
Oh, okay. So Nerds is true to the game. Yeah, true to the game.
4 sour apple.
Okay, so they true to the game. All right, what else we got?
Cotton candy.
We know what cotton candy tastes like.
By the
All
way,
right, Tropical Sour Patch Kids.
you already tasted those.
You didn't.
Yes, I did.
I gave you one. It has passion fruit, tropical twist, pineapple, and paradise punch. So 4 different flavors. Let's see.
Those 4.
That's what they look like. This is my favorite candy, y'all. Sour Patch Kids. All right, so we're gonna try the pineapple here and see if it tastes like
Pineapple.
The other ones are like a mixture of like tropical twist or passion fruit or paradise punch. Like that's a mixture. Pineapple's gonna be pineapple. So I'm doing the most. All right, so let's try it. You ready?
Tastes like pineapple.
Who?
Tastes like pineapple.
Yeah, it tastes just. It's tangy like pineapple too. Oh, that's the sour.
Sour Patch Kids. I knew she was gonna do that.
Mmm. It's good. I love these, y'all. If y'all ever want to send a gift. Alright. What we got?
No more Sour Patch Kids.
No more. Let's try the old school candy. Bit O' Honey. You know this is an old school. Bit O' Honey. That sounds like something a country old person would say. Stop making. Why?
That police.
I'm proud of that. He ain't coming over here, so it don't matter. He just got his lights on. Alright, so this. Ooh, Sour Patch. Here. This sounds like a candy that old people. Okay, so with real honey and almond bits blended into taffy, Bit O' Honey. So honey and almonds. That sounds good though. I mean, like.
Oh my god, it actually smells like honey.
It does. This is what it looks like.
Wait, let me see this.
Like honey and taffy. Yeah. Okay.
Chewy.
Chewy? But it's good.
Honey.
You taste the almonds?
Yeah.
I taste a nut flavor. A nutty flavor.
All it tastes is honey.
You ate the whole thing? Alright.
I wouldn't have eaten the whole thing.
Alright, what else we got? I want to try these jelly donut with grape filling gumballs. Y'all.
I'm gonna like real candy.
And they're like brown. Like the color of donuts. I wonder if they got jelly in them for real.
You love that bit of honey.
Alright. You done?
Yeah.
It's like a matte. Like you notice how normally how gumballs
Wait,
are like
squish
shiny.
it? Squish it?
It's too hard. You know how gumballs are normally like shiny? They're like matte. You ready? Okay. You ready? You ready?
Smells like donut.
Does it? It does smell like donuts. It smells like donuts.
Said it was a donut.
You ready? Are you done chewing that in your mouth?
I just swallowed it.
You done with it? Okay. All right.
I don't have fruit in it.
It does. It has grape in it. They is doing the most with these gumballs. It had grape in it. It's like a grape filling.
Oh, I feel it now.
Oh, I feel it.
I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10.
You don't like it?
Yeah. Well, actually a 4 out of 10 because I like it, but I really don't like it.
What you don't like about it? Oh,
That just happened.
He dropped it under my seat. So you know who's finna clean it out though.
My hands are too short for that.
No, that's okay. You can get out and go under. But yeah, I mean, it tastes like a donut with jelly, kind of. Why didn't you like it?
Jelly.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not too fond of that either. Is there anything else that we could try before we try them? They look nasty.
You're the one who chose this.
I know. We don't want to try these? Or you want this to be the last thing we try? We can try this the last thing. This is a sucker.
That's a big thing.
All right, let's try these Circus Peanuts. These look nasty. Before I even eat them.
What are they made of? Can I read it this time?
Yeah, what are they made of? Nothing.
Since 1919, Monster candies have been a family favorite at holidays, special occasions, and as an
them people lying. I didn't say you. I said them people.
And as
I ain't never seen these at any party.
Proudly made in the USA, Monster Candies continues to produce the candy that.
What is the flavor? Peanuts. I guess it tastes like peanuts.
Yeah.
Marshmallow Circus Peanut.
Wait,
so
those look like shoes, kind of.
Like clown shoes?
No.
What?
Shoes.
Ugh. Here. It tastes like. First of all, I'm not a fan of marshmallows. And I don't like
it. It doesn't smell like anything to me.
Yeah. It stink. Smell in the bag. Really? Mm-mm. More like ew.
Uh-huh.
No, it's like a marshmallowy, and it melt. Ugh.
That's what she said.
You like it? Mm-hmm. Oh no, we got different. You sure you my son? You sure you my son? Cause we got total different taste buds, honey. Yeah, nah. I don't like that. So the gumballs, the banana gumballs.
Wait, no, we have cotton candy too.
We know what that tastes like, Aiden. You just wanted that because we get that at the movie. So the banana split gumballs is a yes.
Wait, are we rating them?
Yeah, what'd you rate those?
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. Yeah, I like those. The banana split gumballs was okay. The candy corn, what you give that?
I know you're gonna give it that score.
I said, what did you give it? Not me.
9 out of 10.
I give it a 4 out of 10.
She's gonna get a low score. More likely she was gonna get it.
The Circus Peanuts, what you give those?
15.
A 15 out of 10? I give them a 2 out of 10. These were not good to me. But I'm glad you liking all the gluten-free, fat-free candies. That means that's good. Okay, Bit-O Honey. What are we giving the Bit-O Honeys?
10 out of 10.
Yeah, Bit-O Honeys is okay. I get that a 10 out of 10.
Actually, 9 out of 10.
Okay. I give it a 9 out of 10 too. How about that? Alright, the jelly donuts. Bubblegum.
A 1.
A 1? Yeah, I wasn't too fond of this. I'll give it maybe like a 3 out of 10. We didn't try the orange sherbet. Hold on.
That's your fault.
All right, what about Sour Patch Kids tropical version?
We know what she's gonna do.
I get at a 10 out of 100 out of 10. What you get? What you looking for? You got nervous that big old man walking by?
Yeah.
Rainbow Nerds.
Wait, I didn't read those. What were they again?
Oh, the tropical.
8.
Yeah, there we go. What about Nerds? Rainbow.
Since they make me more nerdy, I'm gonna give it a 11.
Yeah, make you more nerdy. You know we didn't try? What we should have tried? Alright, so that's pretty much everything that we've done so far. Hold this, please.
Oh, we didn't do this.
Yeah, so we about to do those. Alright, so those are the ones we've done so far, and we didn't do these. Alright, so these are Annihilators, but they're splits. So it's 2 flavors in one. And I don't think they're the chewy kind. Oh, they're loud. Yeah, they are. The long-lasting chew, I guess. Here. What color you got? Strawberry lemonade?
Red.
Strawberry lemonade. And I'm getting
How do I open these? Oh.
lemon lime. Yeah. I already know. I love Annihilators, but the splits, like, they're the double flavored ones. So it's gonna be 2 times the fun for me.
I have no idea what she's singing.
Alright, cool. Boom. Got it open. This is what it's looking like. Lime on one side.
Here's mine.
Wait. What's yours? Let me see. What the other side? Oh, it's between it. Oh, your red is between. Mine is lemon and lime. His is strawberry lemon, but the strawberry's in the middle. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's go. What does that mean? Wonderful?
Dash.
These get a 20 out of 10. Annihilator splits. It tastes like the flavor.
You're gonna want to know to look this up, but I give it a Googleplex.
A Googleplex.
Googleplex. Go look that up. You'll know what it is.
Out of 10.
It's spelled Goolplex.
That sounds like a lot. Alright.
I know math.
You know math. Good job. Alright, next we got orange sherbet. That's another reason why I ain't
for the
going
big
out here. You hear all that
bang.
coughing I'm doing? I ain't finna be walking around with these cheering. Alright. Orange sherbet. Oh, here. What you got in your mouth? You done?
I never tasted sherbet that much.
Orange sherbet. I like orange sherbet ice cream.
Oh yeah, that's the only sherbet thing I tasted.
You ready? We brushing our teeth after this too. Twice.
I know I'm gonna be running around. I know I'm gonna be running around.
This one's good. This one tastes like orange sherbet. What's wrong with you, boy? This one's good. I like this one. What you give it?
9.
I give this. Yeah, I give this a 10 out of 10. Orange sherbet did that. I can hang on to that. What? Okay.
Nothing.
What's that in there?
You still stunned me.
I like this orange sherbet.
Final bang.
I can sit here and chew. Get on my face. Get on my face, little kid. Stop touching me.
Touch.
Alright. Alright, so last but not least, this is his selection.
Big old bang.
The zombie lollipop fingers. And these are like hard suckers. That's what they feel like. And that's what they look like too. Fingers. You got it?
Almost.
It doesn't taste like sour apple. I mean, it smells like sour apple.
We have a problem.
What?
Zombie fingers.
Uh-huh. Then it has like something a little red up there. I guess that's his fingernail. I told you to clean up your room. Alright, come on, you ready?
And I told you to not touch Johnny.
Get out of my face. You ready?
Yeah, I'm keeping this toe.
Sour apple? Yep.
Tasted the zombie.
Don't taste like no zombie. Tastes like sour apple.
Wait, what does the red taste like?
Just sugar. Not bad. Pretty good. Stop being silly. I just eat the candy. Good. I like it. What do you give this? 10 out of 10? 9? Okay. Alright. Good stuff. Alright. So that's our candy that we got. And we rated. Go try any that you'd like to try. And until next time.
Wait, what about the cotton candy?
I keep telling you, we know what cotton candy tastes like.
Last time I tasted it was like...
Anyway, so next time, since he didn't understand English when I said the cotton candy is not a part of this, that just was for him because he picked it up. But anyway, so we tasted all these weird candies. We had fun.
You're the one who like the one of the weird ones. I like the weird ones.
Anyway, we gotta do a thumbnail for this video. Come on,
A what?
a thumbnail. Hold your candy up like that. Not in your face. Smile. That's good. Yeah, this one's pretty good. I like the sour apple.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you never miss like these candy videos.
Right.
Or leave a comment down if you want to see me in more of her videos.
Yeah. All that he just said. Till next time.
That's what she said.
Bye.